Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get Valentine's coins in the new Fish It Valentine's update. So in the new Valentine's update on the game, there is a new currency that you can spend to buy some items inside the Heartfelt Islands. And here I'm going to show you how you can get those coins. So actually there's no special way to get the Valentine's coins. So what you need to do is just you can go to the Heartfelt Islands and just fish as much as possible. And during the fishing, when you caught certain fish, you can get the Valentine's coin. So you'll see the notifications in here, like when you got a certain fish, it will say you got let's say 10 Valentine coins. Like this, you got Valentine coins. So just fish as much as you can in the Heartfelt Island and you'll get more coins. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.